Doing a little patina work on this old lock that I got for the storage box that's in back of the pickup. All we're using equal parts of white vinegar and hydrogen peroxide with a couple sprinkles of salt in it. And I'm kind of getting the desired effect on there. Old cheap lock, got it off Amazon for around 10 bucks. It'll look good on there. This is the third coat on this lock of the hydrogen peroxide vinegar salt mixture. It's aging nicely. We'll let this set up for about 15 minutes and see how it looks. Well, we put another coat on it. This is coat number 4 on this cheap little kind of antique lock. That's kind of the way it looked, the finish that was on it when I took it out of the box. And all I did was I just used the wire wheel on the bench grinder and kind of sanded some of that off a little bit and put that concoction on there. But I don't know. I think we're just going to let this dry, wipe it down. I might even rinse it with a little bit of water. Well, there's a look at it after giving it a cold water rinse. So I think we'll just let it air dry and we'll put it on the pickup. Well, there's a good look at it sitting on the old Army footlocker box on the truck with the patina on it. That's kind of the way it turned out. Let me pull you back here a little bit. You can kind of see how it looks there. So, yeah, pretty neat. I like it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.